Hey guys, we're heading into the lake. Beautiful Sandy is on the camera. And look at the snow. It is pretty. It is very pretty. But it is cold. Now we're only here to get a couple of things that Sandy forgot actually. While we came up for Christmas dinner, early Christmas dinner, we are gonna pick these products up. So, but look at how pretty it is. This part is nice. I mean, like, I must admit, winter like this when it's white is beautiful. It's the muddy parts that I don't like. We are freezing our butts off out here. Must be around 50 degrees. Let me keep you warm.
I just ran a mile, so I'm already warm.
Oh, wow. Just to get off the dock today was, and then we had to return. I had to go around the other side and let Sandy off, and she had to run back to the marina to drop off the key to the car and do some paperwork. Anyhow, very hectic. Things are hopefully going to get better and warmer. You look awful.
I had to work it.
Yeah. We've just had a terrible time. The weather here in Florida has been bloody awful. Sandy's worked really hard, I'll tell you. No complaints here. I'm sure she's got a few complaints for me though. Hey guys, we are anchored off of Blout Island. This is on the St. John's River. We're really close now to the intercoastal, which we'll be taking down tomorrow because the seas are still very rough out in the ocean because of this storm. This thing is a wind indicator, and it goes on the top of the mast at about 60 feet above the water. Anyhow, this is brand new, and I bought it and I installed it this year. And last night, was it last night or the night before?
No, yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday we had real heavy winds. Like, we were at the dock though, at the pier, and this thing, the goddamn piece of shit, broke off. I mean, cheap crap. I ordered a new one, but stainless this time. Sometimes you just gotta buy the proper stuff. And I mean, although this is proper, and the one we had on
was the same.
Lasted for years.
Yes.
This one snapped right off.
Still, even though it's plastic, that's a lot of force to make that little thing break off.
And it landed on the dock, and Sandy said, "What is this?" And I said, and I looked up, and it was gone. Anyways, guys, here we are at it again. I'm gonna blow up your internet, and listen, we like the comments. We like the nasty comments too. Give Sandy all the good comments. Give me the nasty comments. I can handle it. We'll respond. I'll respond to the nasty comments too. No problem. And we're going back to the Bahamas. Sandy is new and improved for new 2024. Sandy is new and improved.
No.
Okay, and she's going to be nicer to me.
Nope.
Okay, and that's her goal. That's what she's going to start doing as of now. She's doing a pre-run right now before New Year's, before 2024.
No, no, and no.
Okay. Look at, all I gotta say is this is the worst weather we've had since we've been doing this. Usually I don't have this problem. It's nice and hot. We get on our way. We've been locked down at the dock for weeks now, and we were lucky we got off the dock today. I wish I had video of it, but it was just a spontaneous thing. Anyways, we left and we're anchored in the dark. Again, and we don't like to do, we shouldn't be doing that, but it's just, we're just idiots.
Well, hold on. The problem was the stadium docks in Jacksonville. We were planning on staying there, and we scheduled to be there by the time we got off the dock there at Green Cove around between 3 and 4. And we go through the last bridge, and we see that they're tearing it all down.
Yeah.
So that was something that we totally weren't expecting, and we had to continue on our way to an anchorage, which we haven't been before, but there are a couple other boats here, so thank goodness.
That marina is right across from the Panther Stadium in Jacksonville, and it is free. And 10 years ago, that was a nice dock, eh?
Beautiful place, beautiful.
Wow, it was beautiful. All the high quality stuff. Anyways, a couple of years ago, we actually on the way back in from the Bahamas, we stopped there, and it was run down pretty good. And now they're ripping it all apart. I don't know what they're going to do with it, but it'll be greatly missed because it was free. And I like free stuff. The St. John's River. We're just leaving the St. John's River. This river, this river runs north. Okay, freshwater river that runs north. I think there's only 2 in the world, and one of them is the Amazon. Anyways, I could be wrong, but I'm probably right. Anyways, listen, one more thing I want to mention is, and I never lose at euchre or skippo. Okay, I never lose a game. Anyways, listen, guys, I just want to thank you guys for following along, and hopefully you enjoy the new series, the 2024 trip. I hope you enjoy it. Leave comments, and
we'll be talking to you again very soon.
Yeah, we're going to start, like I said, I am going to blow up your internet.
And
okay, you're welcome. You're going to hate me. Well, you probably already do but
okay.
I know she hates me. She hates my guts.
Talk about talking too much. He always says I talk too much. Anyways, we're going to go so I'm making dinner so we can eat. And I am like searching for a glass of wine. I'm sure he's searching for a drink. It was quite a hectic day.
Yes, it was.
And I ran about a mile.
Nobody saw that, though, so you can't prove it. Nobody saw it. I didn't see it. Nobody saw it.
You weren't watching.
Nobody was. So I call dog shit. I call horse shit. Bullshit.
Okay.
Bye. See you next time.